I think Alzheimer's and dementia is a sincerely complex illness and can range from one end of the scale to the other. And depending on who you are, can depend on whereabouts you are in that cycle. Exactly the same for families as well. Families are learning to deal with it. They're getting on board with it. They may have dealt with it for a long time. I think part of us being fully trained, I think it's really important that we know what we're getting when we go into that house. We know that we can give that level of service, and we also know that we can understand their illness in order to be able to make sure that that customer feels safe and secure with us. We are dealing with it in the correct manner, and we know how to deal with it, and the family is also getting that reassurance that by having the Merry Maids there, that we are fully understandable of the actual illness, and we know how to deal with individuals that unfortunately are suffering with the Alzheimer's and dementia.